nigga. 100,000 champagne, nigga. Yeah, my money insane, nigga. Yeah, I'm making it rain, nigga. But I was just on the plane, nigga. Buying gear, flying here. Fuck with you in 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 here. Fuck here. Fuck here. Here. Fuck with you in this my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm always rolling up so I can love for that. Them niggas stole my swag, but I don't want it back. I was on this, but now I'm on the back. You see it in my closet before it's on the rack. Was out there in the white, now I'm going back. I got so much money, I should start a bank. So much paper right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink. But I'm still growing up, and my family here, and they rolling up. So the bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm going mine, cause my money long, the quicker go. Probably on some say. Then with them feel like who you calling it? Who you calling it? The king this is not a small ass nigga. Who you calling it? Who you calling it? The king this is not star rap or husher. Who you calling it? Who you calling it? Who's up that side of the love your finger? Who you calling it? Who you calling it? The big phone on the press and chick up. Yo, for the check the apartment and let them if you know how to get dangerous, just pop on your fingers and see how my face and I'm watching for the money.